Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. I haven't been recording for a while. Sorry about it, but hopefully I will go back to the routine of creating at least one or two videos per week. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about self-discipline and how I should be applying it to my own job and how I've been slacking off a little bit in the last few months. Basically, yesterday, which was Thursday, 30th of May 2019, I received a reply from a company, or should I say an online brand that I emailed recently and applied to become a guest contributor to create guest posts, and they have replied to me. I think that was like 1 or 2 weeks later, which was not bad. And I received the reply in the morning, and they said, "Okay, we like your topic. Please send a blog post over." And I have to say that I have been creating any articles or blog posts for my own blog for a few weeks now. As I mentioned, I've been slacking off. I'm not ashamed of saying that. The self-motivation, self-discipline definitely took the back seat in the last few months. But when I received this email, I thought, okay, I'll have to create this blog post. I'll have to submit it as soon as possible. And basically, I started writing. I knew that the word limit required for the post was 750 to 1000 words. So I thought, it's about 2 or 3 pages of Google Docs documents. Okay, I can do it. I thought maybe it would take me like a few days. But once I started writing it, basically when I finished a few hours later, which was absolutely amazing. And I think I ended up with 1800 words. So obviously I had to cut down to at least 1000, well, up to 1000 words. So it was a challenge. I had to cut down 800 words, which was like half the article. So yeah, that was definitely a challenge. But yeah, I submitted the article. So obviously I reread it, restyled it, check the grammar, check the punctuation and everything, and submitted it by the end of yesterday. So by the end of the day, so less than 24 hours, and it's so blimmingly, freakingly a little bit. I mean, I was happy, but I was frustrated with myself because I've been putting off creating blog posts for my own blog for weeks. And basically, if I had to do something for somebody else, I managed to find the time and discipline and everything. So yeah, so that's the video ode to self-discipline, that basically we've got unlimited power and we can dig into that if we want to, and we should actually apply that to our own work, our own job. So if you had similar story, please share it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about your recent self-discipline discovery, or self-discovery, or self-motivation discovery. I'd love for you to share your own experience. Love to hear from you. So it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.